Hello YouTube, it's IMEZRU from Espresso Poker. Welcome back to my channel. This is my new series, Spin and Go Essentials for Pokertracker 4. And if you'd like to learn how to build a positional report for all the positions in Spin and Goes like this, stay tuned and let's get to it. Meanwhile, we start this. I hope you subscribe and push the bell notification so you will get notified when I post more videos about spin and goes on my channel, so you might learn something in the process. Okay, so what we're seeing here is a ready report for my volume of 26,739 hands, and this is roughly about 1.3k tournaments. Which is starting to be somewhat relevant, but still not. This has two stake levels, so the correlation isn't as good because the play pool plays quite differently on the €2 and €5 games. But for the sake of having at least a somewhat relevant volume for this, let's leave it like this with all stakes in hand. Okay, so how do we build a report like this? Let's get to it. We go to the new report. Oh God. And we start here with the spin and go. Spin positions PT4. And we keep the player report and we click finish here. We get the player report, all the chips won and all the hands. What we can do is we can get rid of the player because we don't need that. And then we start building here. We click on player. And what we're doing was we were choosing players per hand. So now we get to see when there were 300 hands and heads up hands. Now what we do is we do the position. And here we find the positional stats for full ring. And now, voila, we have all the 5 positions on spin and go games visible. So this is the basics. This is now it's pretty much up to you what you want to do. We can do a pre-flop report. I prefer to have pre-flop and post-flop reports separately because then I don't have to go and build quick filters because this is quite easy to do anyways. So what we can do is build a pre-flop statistics. We can start with 100 BBs and all in equity here. Then of course VPIP. So all this stuff is from the statistic search. We can find, and if you're not aware of them, or if PT4 is new to you, it's just you can also choose from all these different drop downs and find if there's something. So, but yeah, pre-flop praise. Then we can do, let's see, 3-bet. And what we do is we want to find a 3-bet pre-flop. And fold to 3-bet pre-flop. Yep, here. And then we can do an ISO raise, which is raised with, typo. So let's see, raise with previous limpers, that's the statistics. So that's ISO raise. And then we can do, for instance, So limp. Pre-flop limp. And limp fold. So yeah, now we have a pretty good looking table for analyzing our pre-flop game. And you can do same kind of thing with post-flop statistics. So then you can just switch the reports from here, from the drop-down menu. Now the name is here, and what we do now is we click on the save button. Now we have ready to go report whenever you need to do it. So when you're looking at graphs or statistics and then you come back to the My Reports, you will find the report from the drop-down menu here that says Report. Okay, so now you can start looking at things, and for instance, you can look into if you're running good, running bad. I'm doing pretty good on all positions. Obviously, would be nice to have BB position on green too, but at least it is on heads up. So it's looking pretty good, and I'm also winning more than losing on the three-way BB position, so it's all good. Then you can obviously look into some statistics like what's a what's your VPIP when you compare the heads-up situation to uh, three-way position. Then you can look at your button if you're raising too much or not. This is I don't know, kind of borderline. Borderline. A few misclicks on the limps uh, and some trapping ideas versus highly aggressive villains on the blinds. So trying to trap with premiums and so. But yeah, you shouldn't be limping too much from the button position. And so what we learn from this is valuable, and it's very easy to see if you're like instantly leaking. Like for instance, if you have your button losing, you shouldn't be losing on the button. You shouldn't be losing on your heads up small blind and so on. So this is quite easy way to quickly see that where if there's red, if it's on a place where it's like acceptable and how bad it is. So yeah, I think we can keep this video short. I would like you to please leave a comment how you like video material like this. If you want to see more strategic videos about building reports and analyzing your game with PT4 when you're playing spin and goes, expressos, or whatever they're called in the site you're playing them on. So, and like I said, please subscribe. Help me build this channel to make it better, to have more time and motivation to post videos for you guys along with my games, because I think it's essential to have some value added for the time of watching the videos. So I hope you like this video. Let me know. Uh, Come again, and if you have your notifications on, you will get notified when I post more videos. But without further babbling, I wish you good luck at the tables, and as always, have fun. Bye.